You know.
We liaised when I heard she can be a little bit of a pain in the ass. I didn't think so.
That's what happens when you take the dog's toys away.
Yep.
Poor little puppy. Going the other way now.
Smile, Maverick. You're on candid camera.
You know.
We liaised when she was still at Scotland Yard. And she's good. I think we're lucky to have her.
And we're clear to take off.
Can you have someone run to my flat, get me an extra set of clothes, and tell forensics I don't just want to cross-check the kinetic